Ma, Pa, Mom, Dad, Nanay, and Tatay. Whatever we call you, it all means the same. We need you and we love you. We seek solace, comfort, and strength in your 24/7, all in unconditional and irrevocable love. You would carry our pain without question. You would choose to suffer if it meant we would be spared. Everything we are now and everything we hope to become is rooted in the strength you wrap around us like a warm embrace. It is your sacrifices that built the foundation we now stand on. There were countless moments when we were unworthy of your love, and yet, even through our indifference, our coldness, our rebellion, you stood firm. You never stopped understanding, and you never stopped loving. We love you, even if there were days we failed to show it. We are endlessly grateful to God for giving us you, and as our way of honoring you, we will strive to be even just half the incredible parents and citizens that you are. But with the way you raised us, with the way you loved us, there is no way we can soar even higher. You didn't just raise children, you raised dreamers, fighters, and believers. Salamat! Salamat among mga mahal nga gini kami. Walay tinutuban ang among pagmahal, paghigugma ug pagpasalamat kaninyo. Forever we shall thank you, and forever we shall love you.
all of you.
Salamat, salamat mga ginikanan, lalong may isulta sa among mga inyong pag-awa. Di masuglayan, salamat, salamat sa kumawalay katapusan. Sa kumawalay katapusan.
Our competitors are in the right direction.